In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Hotels.com password. If you've forgotten your password or can't sign in, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will get you back into your account safely and without hassle. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Hotels.com sign-in page you normally use. If you prefer using your phone, open the Hotels.com app and head to the sign-in screen there. Make sure you're on the official site or the official app. In a browser, look for the padlock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on a secure connection. On the sign-in screen, look for a link that says "Forgot Password" or something similar. Click or tap that link. This begins the reset process and takes you to a simple form where you can request a reset. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Hotels.com account. Type the email you used when you created the account, and double-check for typos before submitting. If you have multiple inboxes, try the one you typically use for travel confirmations or booking receipts, as that's often the one linked to your account. Next, go to your email inbox. Hotels.com will send a message with a password reset link. It often arrives within a minute or two, but give it a few minutes if needed. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, and take a quick look at any promotions or updates tabs if your email sorts messages automatically. When the email arrives, open it and click the reset link. For security reasons, these links can expire, so it's best to use it as soon as you receive it. If you started the process on your phone or computer, try to complete it on the same device and keep that browser or app session open. The reset link will open a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. Try not to reuse an old password. Enter the new password, confirm it carefully to avoid typos, and then save. Once it's accepted, you can sign in immediately with your new password on the site or in the app. That's all there is to it. After you're back in, consider updating any saved logins on your devices so you don't accidentally use the old password. If you use a password manager, store the new password there to keep it handy and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reset your Hotels.com password quickly and confidently.